Western Power Distribution. Fault investigation, low voltage, underground. Ever wondered what happens when there is a fault reported on our network? Once the fault is reported, what do we do? Our engineers are dispatched to the reported fault site. Once on site, staff will look to restore as many customers as possible, using alternative supplies where possible. Our teams will then start to locate the fault. The team will check the feeding fuse and restore if blown. Fault-finding equipment can be installed to notify us and help prevent future faults at that location. If we identify a potential fault, we will fix it before it becomes a fault and inconveniences our customers. If replacing the fuses doesn't restore customers' supplies, they will look at fault history in the area, details from customer calls, take a reading from the feeding substation, visit our customer properties to discuss the problems they've experienced, look for activity along the faulty cable length, and dig at strategic points to test the cable. Once the team locate the fault, the repairs can start. Western Power Distribution, serving the Midlands, South West and Wales.